Welcome to Rohit 3D Asset. Today we're going to learn how to rig and animate any character model easily. Open your browser, search AccuRig. Click on a first AccuRig link. This software is free, you just have to sign up and click download free. It'll download the installation file. Open the download file and install it. After installation, open your character model in Maya software which you want to rig. I'm using this female model which I've created last year. Select the model, go to File, click on Export Selection, name the file and click Export Selection. After exporting, open AccuRig software. Click Choose File and select the file you've exported from Maya and open it. Once file is open, you have to keep the symmetry line in middle of the character. Then click Rig Body. And turn on the symmetry. Now place the points according to the given reference on the upper right corner. Also check the point from side view. After points have placed, click Rig Right Hand and choose the number of fingers your character have and click Next. Now place the points on the fingers joints. Click Rig Left Hand. I'm going to use mirror right to left option for this hand point placements. Click Calibrate. It'll take a little time to complete rigging process. Once it's done, you can check the rig. You can see it's done a good job. Everything looks fantastic. If your model rig not looking good, then you can go back to option 3 on the left to place the points again. Here you can apply different pose and animation to check rig in different scenario. You can check out more options. Walking animation is also great. Once you're satisfied with the rig, then you can apply animation. Click Add Motion. New tab will open. There is lots of animation, but I'm going to use free ones. These animation are good. This animation is taking out guns from back. This one is the dancing animation. I know, she looks great. I want this posing animation and click Export. Click Export FBX. I want it from Maya software. Select the FPS, then click Export. Name the file and save it. Go to Maya and import the animation file that we've exported from AccuRig and open it. File will be imported. Now you can play the animation. this video helps you with your rigging, then you can like and subscribe to help me to motivate to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day and see you in next video.